In this question, we want to figure out if H2O water is polar or nonpolar. And so since we'll need a Lewis structure, we'll start by writing out our formula, H2O. And with hydrogen, we'll be reminded that there's one valence electron times our two hydrogens that we have. And in oxygen, there are 6 valence electrons. So this will give us a total of 8 valence electrons that we need to distribute. We'll put oxygen in the center, and we'll make a bond to each hydrogen. And this will account for 4 of our electrons. So there are 4 that we need to distribute around. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We have our Lewis structure now for our water molecule. And now we need to figure out our bond polarity. So in our bond polarity, oxygen has an electronegativity of 3.5. Hydrogen has an electronegativity of 2.1. And so we'll take the difference between these. We get a difference in electronegativity of 1.4. So this is a polar covalent bond. So I know I've got a polar bond, and the question is now, do I have any lone pairs on my center atom? In this case, my center atom is oxygen, and I've got 2 lone pairs. And so those lone pairs are going to distort the bond and break the symmetry for the molecule. So H2O is polar because of polar covalent bonds and its lone pairs.